everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and today I'm back again with another Meesho haul, and this time it is about jeans. I have ordered 5 jeans from Meesho, and for the longest time I was reluctant to order jeans from Meesho because I thought I will order anything except for jeans, because for jeans I really have like great and high standards because I want them to be great in quality. I want them to fit me really well. So I was very reluctant, but this time I was like, let me just see if it is nice or not. But the quality of this jeans and the price point and everything about them is just exceptional, and they are just so good. So I'm really excited to show you all of them. And I would like to apologize because I'm not wearing makeup. Sorry for not looking that presentable because I was just not feeling really well, but I thought I would still make this video for you guys. Before moving on to the video, please subscribe to this channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram if you like content around fashion, beauty, lifestyle, humor or dance. I make content around everything. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. We're starting off with my favorite jeans. This jeans has hearts on it, and this is for rupees around 600. It was for 673 on the website, but I got it for 600 because of all the discounts that Meesho gives you. I'm wearing size 28 in this, and it fits me really nice. It is, I think, one of the best jeans ever because of the print and the quality. Everything in it is just so nice, and it looks really beautiful on tops. I paired it with tops as well, with a top and then with a kurti. It looks really beautiful, and this color is also very beautiful, so I would recommend it to you. It's stretchable and the fabric and quality is top notch, so just go for this one. If you want one jeans from this haul, go for this one because this is even unique and just really beautiful. Next we have this black basic jeans. This again is of really good quality, and it is again for rupees 600 only, and this is in the size 26. It fits me really well, and it is in this jet black color. It is not your average black color. The quality again is really nice. It is stretchable. I feel it is very stretchable, and it looks really beautiful when you pair it. And you know, you should have one black pair of jeans that goes with everything, and this one is just so it. Next up we again have this blue basic jeans, but this one is not basic. This has ribbed material, but the ribbed quality is also really nice. I have one condition: if I'm wearing ribbed, it has to be of really good quality, and this one just serves the purpose. This is again, I think this is the most affordable jeans from this haul. It is just for rupees, I think, 567, and then I again got it for like 550 or something, and this is in the size 26. And this is just really nice. You know, the band and everything fits me so well. Go for this one because this is just perfect for college and everyday wear. Now we have this beige jeans. I do not own any off-white beige or any jeans like this. This is in the very beautiful color. It looks really good. This is for rupees 600 only, and it is in the size 26. The quality of this jeans is really nice. I never thought white jeans look so good. I paired it with my kurti, which was like which was more of like purple or lavender, and it looked really beautiful on this. I think occasionally you can just go for beige jeans. They look really nice. Lastly, we got this basic blue jeans, which is just supreme in quality. It is for 580 or something, 580 rupees, but I got it for like 550 again. And this is in the size 28. But if you get like if you are close to my figure, and if you get a size smaller than 28 also, I think that would also fit you. And again, I can't even praise the quality enough. It is just so beautiful, and I think you need to have one basic jeans. You can just go for this one because you can just wear it every day. It won't get rigged, or like it won't get, you know, rigged very easily. And this is just so beautiful. I love it, and it has like a fake tag also, H&H something, but I guess this is a really good deal for this price. For reference, my height is 5'5", and my waist is 24-26. I go for those size preferably. You can see for yourself. The links of all of these items will be there in the description, so do check out the description for links. And the top I'm wearing, you can use code Tanish for discounts on that top. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this entire haul. I hope you really found any jeans or any clothing item from this haul really helpful. And if you actually order it and you wear it, please do tell me on my Instagram. I would love to see you rocking these. And yeah, with that, I think I will see you really soon in my next video, and do let me know what next haul or what next video do you want to see in the comments, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.